Let this represent a world where income isn't just tied to a paycheck, where digital currencies, decentralized network and blockchain technology are creating fortunes you've only read about. This is Vitaly Buterin, Ethereum co-founder, has over 240,000 Ethereum valued as at the time of making this video at 760 million US dollars. Right now, there is you. You might be stuck in a job you barely enjoy, watching your paycheck disappear into bills, rent, and student debt. You spent years chasing a degree, hoping it would guarantee a future, and yet, the path forward feels uncertain, slow, and exhausting. You see stories of people making millions. Anatoly Yakovenko, visionary co-founder and CEO of Solana Labs, worth over 500 million US dollars. Vitaly Buterin, worth over 1 billion US dollars. Gavin Wood, over 500 million US dollars. And you wonder,
I don't think I can do this anymore. I think we should go our separate ways.
how did they do it? Were they just lucky, born at the right time, smarter than everyone else, and your dreams, paying off your family's mortgage, traveling the world, finally feeling free? They seem distant, maybe even impossible. It starts to feel like the game is rigged and you are on the losing side. But what if everything you believed about jobs, income, and success was wrong? What if there was a new path imagined, a world where the rules are changing and opportunities aren't limited to the lucky few? By the end of this video, you will understand there's a side of work and income that no one is showing. It's not all that easy and it won't happen overnight, but the freedom, the possibility, the future, it's real and it's waiting. As the world around us changes faster than ever before, so too does the way we work. Gone are the days when a single resume, a 9-to-5 job or a college degree could guarantee a stable life. Today, the fabric of opportunity has shifted. The economy is moving faster than ever. And at the heart of that shift lies something most people still don't fully understand. Web3, the decentralized web. Now stick to the screen here, because we are going to have to change the way we've been seeing Web3. A few years ago, Web3 was a whisper, a buzzword thrown around by technologists and crypto traders, but today it's becoming the backbone of the new digital economy. Companies, organizations, communities, and even governments are building on decentralized networks, and with that growth has come something extraordinary, a new job market, one that pays real money for real skills. You see, these roles in Web3 aren't just trends, they are the future. At the heart of this new economy are the builders, the people coding, securing, and designing the systems that power billions of dollars of value. Smart contract developers are the architects of trustless systems, writing the code that executes automatically on blockchains like Ethereum. Solidity, the language of these contracts, has become one of the most valuable technical skills in the world. Started videos online shows how Patrick Collins, blockchain expert, teaching a pure beginner to becoming an expert in Solidity or coding smart contracts. Smart contract auditors may not get the headlines, but they protect the very foundation of blockchain projects, ensuring no flaws in the code cost millions. Meanwhile, Rust developers are in high demand of fast, scalable chains like Solana. Vito Rivabella, Italy-based full-stack developer and product leader, makes the complex technical world understandable and relatable. Rust is complex, but mastering it puts in a league of developers few can reach. Full-stack Web3 developers and back-end engineers build bridges between complex decentralized protocols and the users interacting with them, turning abstract network into usable applications. Finally, blockchain security engineers, on-chain analysts, data scientists, and AI plus Web3 engineers are shaping the invisible world behind the screens, protecting networks, interpreting data, and merging artificial intelligence with blockchain to create the next frontier. These are the people building the infrastructure of Web3. Every line of code could be worth millions, and they are scarce because the skill is rare. It becomes clear, if you can build, secure, or analyze in Web3, your skills are not just in demand, they are indispensable. Not all Web3 opportunities require coding. The ecosystem thrives on people who understand humans as much as technology. On-chain operations manager keep decentralized organizations running smoothly, coordinating complex logistics in real time. DAO treasury managers handle vast amounts of digital assets with complete transparency, balancing risk and reward in ways traditional finance has never seen. Earning range of a DAO treasury manager ranges $165,000 to $205,000 per year. Governance lead guide decentralized decision making, ensuring communities move forward with the central authority. Earning range $70,000 to $140,000. Then there are the storytellers and collectors, community managers who turn users into believers. Earning range $50,000 to $180,000 per year. Content and execution leads who translate complex blockchain into ideas and clarity. Earning range $60,000 to $110,000 per year. Marketing specialists who crafts campaign that resonates across Discord forums and token communities. Earning range from $7,000 to $205,000 per year. Finally, the business developers and recruiters build the teams, partnerships, and networks that make Web3 projects thrive. Earning range from $50,000 to $240,000 per year. Each of these roles is a reminder, even in a decentralized world, people are the backbone of the nation. These roles are not fleeting trends, they represent a seismic shift in work, value, and opportunity are created. Web3 is still growing. Companies like DAOs are paying real money for talent. The skills that shape this world, coding, auditing, community management, governance, strategy, aren't reserved for the lucky few. They belong to anyone willing to learn, adapt, and understand. The people who master these skills aren't just earning, they're shaping the future. In Web3, influence and understanding people can be just as valuable as writing code. These are the roles that keep decentralized organizations alive, and they pay real money too. The opportunities don't stop with just learning skills, they multiply. Stick with me, let's see how that happens. The world of work is no longer about following a predictable path. The companies, communities, and technologies of tomorrow are being built, and people who understand them are the ones thriving. The question isn't just, can I get a job? It's, can I get a skill that will make me indispensable? Here's a list of the top skills that are still paying and paying well. 1. Smart contract development, Solidity, and Ethereum. This is the skill that turns ideas into code you can trust. Earning range $125,000 to $109,000 per year. Imagine writing a contract once and it executes millions of dollars worth of transactions automatically with zero errors. Solidity developers are rare, and every line of code they write has the potential to create immense value. It's not just coding, it's designing trust, and in Web3, trust is currency. 2. Smart contract auditing. Code is powerful, but one mistake can destroy millions. Auditors are the unsung heroes of Web3. Earning rate $150,000 to $250,000 per year. They come through every line, every function, every loophole. Their reward, high-paying contracts, respect across the blockchain world, and sometimes even fame. When they prevent disasters others didn't see coming. Without them, the system collapses. Without them, wealth evaporates. Without them, opportunities vanish. 3. Rust development and high-performance blockchain programming. Earning range $135,000 to $200,000 per year. Rust is the language of the fastest, most scalable networks. Solana, Polkadot, and other chains demand these skills. It's not easy, and that's why developers who master it are extremely scarce. Scarcity in the blockchain world translates directly into high-paying checks and influence. The harder the skill, the bigger the reward, and few are willing to put in the work. 4. Full-stack Web3 development. Front-end meets blockchain back-end. These developers make decentralized apps usable for real people. Earning range $120,000 to $210,000 per year. Without them, protocols exist, but no one can touch them. With them, billions of users engage, transact, and interact. They are the bridge between complexity and usability. Without them, the technology is invisible. With them, it becomes indispensable. 5. Blockchain security and on-chain analytics. The blockchain world is transparent, but that doesn't make it safe. Security engineers protect networks. Analysts turn raw data into decisions that can make or break protocols. If you can see what others miss, you don't just survive, you thrive. 6. DAOs operations, governance, and treasury management. Average on $150,000 per year. Not all value is digital. Some lies in communities, treasures, and decentralized decision making. Operations managers, governance leads, and treasury managers orchestrate these digital ecosystems. They keep DAOs alive, growing, and profitable. This is power without a CEO, influence without a central authority, money without borders. 7. Community, marketing, and content creation. Earns in the range $90,000 to $200,000 per year. Even the best protocols fail if no one understands or believes in them. Web3 marketers, educators, and community managers turn complex ideas into narratives, campaigns, and movements. Influence is just as valuable as code, and in Web3, culture often pays more than currency. 8. Business development and talent acquisition. The final piece of the puzzle, connecting the right people, projects, and opportunities. Web3 thrives on partnerships and teams that understand the decentralized world. Recruiters and business developers who specialize in this space don't just fill roles, they create them. From coding to community building, every skill in this space has value, and the earlier you master it, the higher the rewards. These skills are paths to financial freedom, influence, and opportunity in a world that rewards those who understand the rules before everyone else does. And if you think these opportunities are only for coders, think again. The decentralized economy needs builders, thinkers, leaders, and storytellers. By now, the question isn't if you can join, it's how fast you can adapt, learn, and claim your place in this new era. By now, you understand the stakes. Web3 isn't a passing trend, it's a new world of work, wealth, and influence. The question now isn't just which skills are paying, but how you can actually acquire them before everyone else does. This isn't about luck. It's not about who you know, it's about action, timing, and understanding the system. Start with solidity. If you want to write a smart contract on Ethereum, learn to deploy them, test them, and audit them. Explore Rust if high-speed chains like Solana or Polkadot interest you. These networks reward skills with influence and money. Full-stack Web3 development means combining blockchain knowledge with front-end skills. The people who can do both are extremely rare. Don't ignore security and analytics. Blockchain is transparent, but one vulnerability can destroy millions. Learning to analyze, secure, and optimize protocols make you indispensable. Creating value that people will pay for globally, instantly, and transparently. If you think you are not a coder, don't worry. Web3 is built on people too. Community managers turn users into believers. Governance leads guides decentralized systems. Marketing specialists craft campaigns that make projects explode. Data operations and treasury management give you power without a CEO, influence without a boss. In Web3, understanding people is as valuable as understanding code. Influence can be currency and sometimes more profitable than tokens themselves. The skills exist, the tutorials exist, the networks exist. The only thing left is for you to start, because the people who act fastest are the ones who capture the opportunities. Web3 rewards curiosity, persistence, and adaptability. It's a world where information moves fast, trends change quickly, and opportunities appear overnight. Stay informed about new protocols, chains, and DAO models. Learn from communities on Discord and specialized forums. Experiment, build small projects, participate in testnets, or even create your own tokens. The faster you move, the sooner you discover the hidden opportunities everyone else misses. Some people will tell you Web3 is complicated. They'll say it's risky, too late, or that you need millions to start. They are wrong. The opportunities are real, high-paying, and accessible to anyone willing to learn. The technical roles pay 6 figures or more, often remotely. The non-technical roles offer influence, decision-making power, and equity in projects that could grow exponentially. Communities are open, protocols are transparent, knowledge is free or nearly free. The only thing separating you from this future is the decision to start. Every skill you learn, every project you contribute to, every connection you make brings you closer to financial freedom, influence, and a place in this decentralized world. You realize that Web3 isn't just a job market, it's a new economy, a new frontier. And for those who dare, the new path to freedom. The choice is simple: watch, learn, and act, or stay behind. The world you've just seen is not science fiction, it's happening now. Every line of code, every community built, every DAO governed, every piece of content created is shaping the economy of tomorrow. The people behind these systems aren't superheroes, they didn't get lucky. They simply learned, adapt, and acted. They understood the rules of a new game before everyone else did. And in doing so, they claimed their place in the world that rewards skill, curiosity, and courage. You might be thinking, I don't have the time, the talent, or the connections. But the truth is, none of that matters in Web3. What matters is your willingness to start, to learn, to experiment, and to put yourself in the ecosystem. The skills we've explored, from smart contract development to DAO governance, from community building to Web3 marketing, are all still paying. They are still scarce. They are still your ticket to freedom. And the earlier you start, the further ahead you will be. Because here's the secret nobody tells you. The Web3 world isn't about luck, privilege, or background. It's about action, timing, and knowledge. The opportunities are there, the tools are there, the networks are there. The question now is simple: will you stay on the sidelines, watching others claim the future, or you will step in, learn, build, and own your piece of it? Your path starts today. Every skill you acquire, every project you contribute to, every connection you make brings you closer to the freedom, wealth, and influence you've always imagined. Web3 is not a dream, it's a reality, and it's waiting for those who dare to act. So yes, I do want to say thank you very much for watching all the way to the end. I really do appreciate you taking the time to explore the world of Web3 with me. If you've enjoyed this video and found it valuable, make sure to like again, comment, subscribe and share. It really helps me keep creating content like this. I make entertaining documentary style videos that dive deep into success, innovation and opportunity in Web3 and tech space. Kind of stories you won't see anywhere else. I hope to hear of how much this video has helped and that the months ahead are filled with learning, growth and exciting opportunities. Until next time, stay curious, stay bold, and here's to your journey towards freedom and success.